after her passing, written by Carol Johnson, can be found in the book Broken to be Restored, soon to be released. It's a story that tells of family, that tells of death, and how family, instead of mourning and comforting each other, turn on each other, fighting over what we would call dead left. But God sees and He knows all our hearts, the intentions of the heart, and that all these broken pieces, no matter how fragmented, no matter how far they were thrown as the relationships explode, God will go to the ends of the earth. He'll find the broken pieces of those relationships and He'll put them back together again. We just have to trust the process. Trust the process.